Hi, Jesse Richardson here with BMC Customer Support. In this video I'll show you some advanced search tips you can use for SearchBMC support. Before I start searching, I'm going to click on the login. The reason for that is if you're logged in, you can see content that only authorized users can see, so I'll do that before I run my searches so I can see all the content. So now that I'm logged in, I'll search on the word install. And you can see it comes back with a list of search results. It found 166,000, and you can see the matches in bold. So it found matches on installation, installing, installed. If I wanted to find a match just on the word install without derivatives of it like those, then I could put a plus at the beginning of the search term, and that way it only finds matches that have the word install explicitly in the search results. So that's one thing you can do to refine your search results. Also notice that by default it comes to the all page. If I wanted to look at only knowledge articles, I can click on the knowledge base page. Similarly for documentation, I can click on that page. If I wanted to just find videos, I can click on the video page and just find videos that have my search terms in it. So I'll go back to the all page though so I can see everything. Next thing you can do is, let's say you want to search on an error message. So in this case, I'll search on an error message that's kind of generic, but it has 4 search terms in it. And you can see the number of search results was large. It found 500,000 search results. And the reason for that is if I enter a lot of search terms in here, if I enter 4 or more search terms, it looks for a match on at least 50% of them. So it's not looking for a match on every single word. If I do want to search on something very specific, I can put it in double quotes. And that way it'll treat this phrase as a single match, and you can see it found just 288 results when I did it that way. So that's another way you can refine your search. Another thing to keep in mind is you can also filter or facet your results down by these options here on the left hand side. For example, if I know that I want to search within the Remedy AR System Server product, I could click on that checkbox and it shows you to the right of it how many results are found in each of the products. So when I facet it to it, it shows here that I'm only showing results within that product, and you can see I'm down to 155 results. So those are all things that you can do to narrow your searches down. I just click on the X next to it to remove that facet, and I can do the same thing up here in the search window. So let's say take a different example. Let's say I want to search for a particular article number that I was given for a result that I wanted to look up, and I can just search on the numbers. We made a change so you don't have to include the leading zeros to it. You can just search based on the significant numbers. Let me take a different search example. Let's say I'm looking for Oracle in DB2, and you can see it came back with a certain number of results. These search results, if you enter search terms 3 or fewer search terms, there's an implied and between them, so it's only showing you matches that match on each of the search terms or derivatives of those search terms. If you want to change that logic, you can put the word or in all uppercase between them, and now you can see the number of search results came up. It increased, and the results includes all the ones that include the search term Oracle or the search term DB2. So that's another thing you can do to refine your search. Let me look at a couple product specific versions. So let's say I'm searching for an article that I want to be about Remedy 9, Remedy version 9. So I could do this, just include those 2 search terms separately. But if I wanted, that kind of search result will come back with results even if it's an error. The 9 is an error number or an article number. So it might be things that are not specifically about Remedy version 9. I could include V or version in it, but there's another keyword I can use called near, and what that does is it looks for the term before it within 3 search terms, in this case because I included a 3, and the term after it. So it only finds results that have the term remedy and the term 9 within 3 search terms. Or if I wanted to accommodate longer product names, I can increase that number to 8. But that's another way you can search using a special syntax, the word near, to find results that are about a particular product and version. And the final thing I wanted to show you is that there is a special keyword, and I can enter BMC at BMC product name equals, and then include a partial part of the product name, and you can see I used patrol here, and you can see that it's selected all the products, and there's a lot of products that have the word patrol in it, so it automatically selected all those products, so it's filtering specifically to those. Or same kind of thing, I could do remedy, and it automatically selects all products that have the word remedy in it, or control, if I was looking for control in products. So that's a good way you can filter, just using this single search term rather than checking lots of checkboxes for the products. You can search on all those, and then enter whatever search terms you would want in addition to that, and you're faceting into something more specifically all the products that have that name. That's the search tips I wanted to share. Thanks for your time.